Hello, in this video we will discuss how we can separate first name and second name from a full name. You can see in the table in the column full name there are names Sarah Khan. Just for the clear visibility, I just change the color of second name so it should be clearly visible. So all the letters from all the names from number 1 to number 7, they have two names, first and last. Okay. uh, but the eighth one has a special case. It has three names: first name, middle name, and last name. In this video, we will only pick first and the last name. We will ignore the middle name. So you will also learn how we can ignore the middle name. Only can select first and last. And in the later part of this video, I will show you how we can separate three if a name has three words, first, middle, and last, how we can separate them. So let's start. So we will learn without using any complex formula or function. So first of all, select this table. Do not select the sequence number, okay, because that is not that we will not use. So we will select only the three columns: full name, first name, and last name, like this. Select it, go to Insert tab, and then click Table. You will see a small table, Create Table, like this. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Just press OK. Just press OK. So you will see the color of this table is changed. Now blue lines, white lines, so it means table is selected. So we will now separate the first name. Click here on the cell where we want to separate the first name for number 1. So here the first name is Sarah, which is in the black. We will type here Sarah, enter, and then in the second one we will again type the first name of that full name from the full name, Ahmed. Now you can see when I typed Ahmed, it automatically filled all the first names in the column. So you just press enter and you can see all the first names are separated in the first name column. Okay. Now same thing we will do in the last name. Go click here. So from the Sarah we will separate Khan, which is the last name, enter, and then from the second full name, which is Ahmed Jamal, type Jamal here, which is highlighted in red. Look, when I typed Jamal, only J, it automatically filled all the column with all the second name. Press enter. You can see all the first names and the last names are separated. And in the special case, this eighth one, the middle name is ignored. It is not picked. Okay. One more thing. Let's say I will delete all these, the remaining. If you have filled only type in Khan and Jamal for first two names, the last one, so you want to fill it. You can see this function, these two keys, Control plus E. Click here, press the key Control and then E. Look, it automatically picked all the last names in this column. So now we will move to another sheet. Here we will learn how we can separate three words from a full name. We have Sarah Ali Khan, Ahmed Jamal Beg. I change the color for the clear visibility. All the middle names are in green color, last names are in red color. Okay, I'll show you how we can separate them. So again, in the same way, select these columns. Do not select the number 1, okay, number column, because that will not be used. So we have selected full name, first name, middle name, and last name. Then go to Insert, then Table. So this small window will appear. Create tables. It has already selected, our selected portion of the sheet. You can say it is highlighted in the dotted lines. Okay, if you want to modify, you can modify here. Otherwise, simply press OK. Now you can see the color is changed, so it means table is properly selected. Again, do the same thing. First, type the first name Sarah here. Okay, and then from the second name in the row, from here, Jamal, Jamal. Okay, sorry, it is not Jamal, it is Ahmed, Ahme. Look, when I typed Ahmed, automatically it filled the column with the first names. Press enter. Look, all the first names are picked. Again, do for the middle name. Here the middle name is Ali. Okay, and the second middle name is Jamal. J A. Look, when we type Jamal, automatically it filled the remaining cells. Just simply press enter and then go to the last name, Khan. Okay, Khan. Enter. Baig, BAI. Look, automatically it picked all the names. Press enter. Same here, same trick. If you, let's say, you don't press enter, you have just type first, fill the first cell and second cell, and you want to apply same on all, use this control plus E. Click here, control key plus E key. Look at the E key, it automatically it will pick all the names. So you can easily separate first name, middle name and last name, and you can ignore middle name by just picking first and last name. Thank you very much.